ये क्वेश्चन तो आई थिंक किसी और से पूछना चाहिए, बट मैम खेल रत्न एक बहुत ही प्रेस्टिजियस अवार्ड है और मेरा ऑनर होगा उसको रिसीव करना। और पिछले
आपको Manu Bhakar's absence from the nominations list raised many eyebrows, especially considering her stellar performance at the Paris Olympics. The list includes notable names such as Harmanpreet Singh, captain of the Indian men's hockey team that secured an Olympic bronze, and Praveen Kumar, a Paralympics gold medalist in high jump T64. Initial reports suggested that Bhakar's omission might be due to an application oversight, while Bhakar herself acknowledged a possible lapse in submitting her application. She emphasized that her focus remains on representing the country and excelling in her sport. However, her family has stated that the application was indeed sent, raising questions about procedural errors. The Khel Ratna Selection Committee has the authority to nominate athletes suo motu, even if formal applications are not submitted. This precedent was notably seen in the case of cricketer Mohammad Shami, whose name was included for the Arjuna Award despite a missed application deadline. At that time, the selection committee recognized Shami's exceptional performance and ensured his achievements did not go unnoticed. In Bhakar's case, following public outcry and discussions about her deserving candidacy, it is now expected that her name will be added to the final list of the nominees. The Union Sports Minister is expected to make the final call in the coming days. This controversy has reignited debates about the fairness and inclusivity of the nomination process for national sports awards. Many are questioning whether exceptional achievements should outweigh bureaucratic requirements to ensure deserving athletes are duly honored.